Hey guys, what is up? It's your boy Teddy here, and in this video today I'll be showing guys a few transitions that you can do from one step, also known as helicopter and also known as coffee grinder. Alright, but before I start, make sure you hit the subscribe button, also turn on the notification icon so whenever there's a new video coming out you will get notified. Alright, so without further ado, let's jump to the video. There you go guys, a few basic transitions that you can do for your one step, also known as the helicopter and also known as the coffee grinder. If you want to see more advanced version of these transitions, or even you want to learn the tutorial that I just showed you guys in this video today, just let me know and I'm gonna make the tutorial, or so-called the in-depth tutorial on that move itself. Alright, so that's about it. Subscribe, like this video, give thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time.
Thank you.